Cold-pressed versus refined oils is one of the most common dilemmas these days. In this video we will try to make it more understandable for you. Let's first talk about cold-pressed oils. Cold-pressed oils are more aromatic, and as they are not heated, they contain some amount of plant material that are beneficial due to their antioxidant properties. But keep it in mind that if you are planning to use it for high-temperature cooking, you are wasting your money, as anything other than fat is going to burn at high temperature. Another thing worth noting is that if cold-pressed oils are not properly filtered, the non-fat part of it will burn into non-healthy product. On the other hand, refined oils go through an elaborate filtering and chemical treatment that removes everything other than fats. Some of these solvents used during this treatment, like hexane, are not good for health. So, the bottom line is that use right oil for right situation. Cold pressed for low temperature cooking and refined oil for high temperature cooking like deep frying. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.